Can you believe some of YouTube's top creators are earning thousands monthly without even stepping in front of a camera? Yep. The secret? Free AI tools that handle everything from scripts to visuals. Let's uncover how they make it happen. The idea of earning a substantial income through a faceless YouTube channel may sound too good to be true, but it's entirely possible with the right strategy. This model has revolutionized content creation, enabling people to produce value-packed videos without worrying about their on-screen presence. The journey starts with meticulous research. YouTube creators don't succeed by guessing. They start understanding their audience's pain points and curiosities. What questions are people asking in your chosen niche? What trends are shaping viewer interests? The answer lies in exploring forums, reading comments on similar channels, and using tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ to uncover trending keywords and topics. AI tools like ChatGPT can speed up this process. For example, you can ask generate 15 video ideas for an AI-focused YouTube channel aimed at beginners. And within seconds, you have a list of topics to consider. After selecting the topic, the real work begins, creating an engaging script. A compelling script is the backbone of any successful video, especially for faceless channels where the words and visuals carry the entire weight of communication. Crafting a script isn't just about what you say, it's about how you say it. Consider the tone, pacing, and reliability of your words. A conversational tone often works best, making viewers feel like they are having a one-on-one discussion. For instance, starting a script with a thought-provoking statement or personal anecdote immediately hooks the audience. Balancing emotional appeal and actionable insights ensures your videos is not only engaging but also valuable, keeps viewers watching till the end. ChatGPT is a game-changer in this stage. Let's say your topic is overcoming fear with AI-driven techniques. By prompting ChatGPT, write a motivational YouTube script that combines practical advice and emotional storytelling. You can quickly create a structured and engaging narrative. The script should open with a hook that grabs attention, build through relatable experiences or actionable insights, and close with an emotional or inspirational punchline. Voiceovers add a personal touch, making videos more relatable and engaging. Even if you're uncomfortable recording your voice, tools like 11 Labs can create professional-quality voiceovers tailored to your style. Whether you need a calm, authoritative voice for a philosophical video or an enthusiastic tone for a tech review, AI-generated voiceovers provide options. Breaking down the script into smaller chunks when generating voiceovers ensure clarity and expressiveness. Visuals are the next critical element. In faceless channels, the visuals tell a story alongside the voiceover. Platforms like Leonardo AI allows creators to generate high-quality images from simple prompts. Dynamic visuals enhance engagement. Static images can be animated using tools like Plexiverse AI, which can subtly bring scenes to life. Editing is where all the elements come together. Tools like CapCut, a user-friendly video editing platform, makes it simple to sync visuals, voiceovers, and music. Drag and drop the audio, align the visuals to match the narration, and add transitions for a smooth flow. Captions are crucial. They make videos accessible to a broader audience, including those watching without sound. CapCut's auto-captioning tool simplifies this task while saving time. Another editing strategy to consider is the use of effects, sound effects, and background music to enhance the emotional impact of your video. Subtle sound clues such as a rising crescendo during a motivational statement or soft ambient music during reflective moments create an immersive experience. Platforms like YouTube's audio library offers free high-quality tracks that you can incorporate seamlessly. The right audio choices not only elevate the professionalism of your content, but also make it a more memorable experience for your viewers. Titles and thumbs are your first opportunity to grab a viewer's attention. Think of the thumb as your storefront window. It should intrigue and invite people in. A strong thumbnail doesn't just attract clicks, it builds anticipation. Use bold colors, sharp contrast, and minimal text to deliver your message instantly. Simple yet powerful designs consistently outperform cluttered visuals. Using Canva, you can design thumbnails that are visually striking. For example, a video about success might have the title, "Crack the Code to Unlimited Potential." paired with an image of a person standing on a mountaintop, arms raised in triumph. The title should also be optimized with keywords that reflect your audience's search habits, such as 5 proven tips to transform your life, or the best AI tools to simplify your work. Publishing is not just about uploading your video. It's about ensuring the video reaches the right people. Write a description that summarizes the content and includes relevant keywords, links to your social media, and any affiliate products. Tags, generated using tools like rapidtags.io, help categorize your video and increase its discoverability. Even the file name matters. Renaming the video file to match the title can give it an edge in YouTube's algorithm. Monetizing is the ultimate goal, and there are several ways to achieve it. The first step is meeting YouTube's requirements: 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Once eligible, you can join the YouTube Partner Program and earn money through ad revenue. However, savvy creators don't rely solely on ads. Another innovative monetization strategy is creating digital products that align with your niche. For instance, if your channel focuses on motivation, you could sell downloadable affirmations or self-improvement worksheets. AI tools like ChatGPT can help you draft these materials, while platforms like Gumroad or Teachable can handle distribution. Digital products offer a scalable income source that complements ad revenue and affiliate marketing, diversifying your earnings and increasing financial stability. Affiliate marketing is an excellent supplementary income stream. By promoting products relevant to your niche, such as books, tools, or courses, you earn a commission for every sale made through your links. For instance, an AI-focused channel might review ChatGPT or Canva, embedding affiliate links in the video description. As your channel grows, sponsorship opportunities become a more accessible option. Companies in your niche may pay for dedicated views or mentions in your videos. These deals can range from hundreds to thousands of dollars depending on your audience size and engagement levels. Scaling your channel to $10,000 a month requires consistency, creativity, and leveraging trends. Tools like Futurepedia, which aggregates AI news, helps creators stay updated and generate fresh content ideas. The journey to earning $10,000 a month isn't instantaneous, but it's achievable. With the right approach, every video becomes a building block towards a sustainable, profitable channel. By staying consistent, engaging with your audience, and continually improving your process, you'll not only grow your channel but also establish yourself as a trusted creator in your niche. Are you ready to take your first step? Start by brainstorming your first video idea and explore the free AI tools that can turn your vision into reality. Like, share, and subscribe for more insights, and together, let's redefine the possibilities of YouTube success.